Hello to all. To those just joining us, welcome. To my subscribers, welcome back. Glad to help everyone watching this, both old and new watchers. Last week we talked about two similar and relatively easier rules to use for solving the derivative, called the sum and difference rules. This week we're jumping into just one rule as it's surprisingly complicated. It's called the product rule. As you might suspect, it has to do with when two parts are multiplied together, aka a product. This rule states that the derivative of the product of two parts is one part times the derivative of the other, added to the derivative of the first times the other part. It sounds complicated, perhaps it makes more sense visually, so this is what it looks like. Remember, an apostrophe next to the letter indicates the derivative of that specific part. Here's an example of when we would use this rule. Let's find the derivative of 6x squared times the quantity x plus 1. Remember the formula shown above. One easy way of doing this is labeling each part. We'll say 6x squared is f and x plus 1 is g. Then find the derivative of each part. Write those down as well. Then simply fill in the formula that I gave above, and there you go, the full derivative. Like I said, it's definitely a more complex rule than the last ones we've done before, so let's do a practice problem to make sure you've gotten it down. Find the derivative of the quantity 3x squared times the quantity 2x plus 1. As always, I'll be doing this step by step on the screen, but please give it a try on your own first before looking at this for help. And there we go. The full derivative of the equation is 3x squared times 2 plus 6x times the quantity 2x plus 1. If you didn't get that, please rewind, take a rewatch of this video, maybe even watch the ones before. It's here to help you ace that next exam. That's all for this week. Next week will be about the quotient rule. Until next time, keep on learning.